Good morning everybody and welcome again. You will know that this week in maths we are covering time. Now time involves days of the week, months of the year, seasons, and it also involves being able to tell the time. So one day we're going to look at o'clock, which is today, and one day we're going to look at half past, one day at quarter past, and one day at 1:45. Now I want to show you this clock. This clock, as you know, there are 12 hours in the morning. Sorry, let me start again. There are a total of 24 hours in a day. We have 12 o'clock at midnight and 12 o'clock midday. We have 1 a.m. when we're all asleep in bed, but we have 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So each one of these times is twice in the day. Okay, and you can see that when we do o'clock, it has 60 minutes in an hour. And each one of these, look, are in 5-minute slots, intervals. It's got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And each one of these dots, it represents 1 minute. So we know 60 minutes in 1 hour, 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay? So now then I want to show us what makes 1 hour. Okay, so this is the long hand, and the long hand is the one that goes right over the number, and that is the minute hand. Look, you can see it's going round. That's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and it's got all the way round. Now the shorter hand, which that just touches the number, and that is called the hour hand. So let's have a look if we can be able to read this time. We know o'clock is always over the number 12, and whatever the hour hand is pointing to, that's what o'clock it is. So we know it's 9 o'clock. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, let's have a look. So we know that the hour hand, which is the shorter hand, is pointing to the 1, and that the minute hand is over the 12 again. So we know it must be 1 o'clock. Let's have a look at this one. Look, the minute hand, which is the long hand, is over the 12. And we've got the hour hand pointing, just touching the 3. So we know it's 3 o'clock. Let's have a look at this one. Again, it's over the 12, the minute hand, and the shorter hand is touching 7, so we know it is 7 o'clock. I'm going to show you a time now. What's that time? Can you tell me? Or tell your adult? Let's have a look at this one. That one. Have a look at it. Can you tell them? Yes, you are correct. It is 2 o'clock. And we'll do one more. That one says, you're correct. It says 8 o'clock. Now then, on Tapestry, we have put lessons that extend our learning on days, months, o'clock, half past, 1:15. You will be able to go onto Tapestry and access them lessons from the link, some extra work that's linked to time. You'll also, in your new learning pack that you will be you will have received or will be receiving, you can make a clock, you can tell the time, and you can actually, it says you can draw the times on too. So lots and lots of activities that you can do with time. So just to finish with, let's see if you can read that time to o'clock. Let's get it right over. So we know it's over the 12, so we know it's o'clock. We know it's pointing the hour hand to 11, so it's 11 o'clock. Fantastic. Super learning.